Well, we continuing. It's for our English language friends, English speaking friends, and it's about how we can change situation in life, working only with yourself, with your body, with your emotions. In first part we've been talking about that maybe it's just a hypothesis, hypothetically, emotion and feelings which you feel creates the situation, not the opposite way. Situation create feelings. No, feelings create situation. Very interesting, very strange. Somehow these feelings was there before the situation happened, and situation just shows you what feelings you really have inside. And by changing your feelings, you can change the situation. And if not, anywhere you start to feel better, it's the great thing anyway. Okay, so we start. So about the situation, we have emotion. For example, you've been fired, like from the first part of our lection, you've been fired, and then you have symptom, like you are offended, you feel angry, guilty, you feel pity, everything. And then you have consciousness about it, some ideas, how you comprehend the situation, the things you plan to do now and all this stuff, you know, like mental stuff. So you have two parts, symptom and consciousness. I think I don't spell this word consciousness right, but it's okay. Forgive me, I'm Russian. Я русский. Okay, so and we have hypothetically thought that consciousness forms our reality. So now we have to change our consciousness about this reality and change the symptoms about this factical reality which we have now since we are fired. Okay. So you're working with two things. First, you work with the symptom, and secondly, you work with the situation, with comprehension. Okay. In everything you have two policies, like plus and minus. For example, you have a symptom, you're offended, you feel grief, okay? So for example, the symptom is you have some tension here, and it's like pain, something is itching, maybe vibrating or something like this, or maybe something is stuck somewhere, I don't know, here, in the stomach, whatever, okay? So you have the symptom. Now, in order to change this symptom, you have to look to another side of this reality, on some good symptom. For example, you're looking somewhere in your body, some good symptom, and then you start to like touch it with your consciousness, like bad symptom, good symptom, bad symptom, good symptom. Or you can look precisely what is this symptom is. For example, I am offended, I feel grief. So what is this? What is the form of this grief? How deep it's in my body? What's the taste? What's the temperature? What's the sound? Maybe character. All the characteristics of this. And then you take a good symptom and also look at it precisely. What is the form? What is the sight? What is the sound? Okay? And then you change good, bad, good, bad, good, bad. The quantum theory, which also approved by experience, that when you take some plus experience and some minus experience and change them, plus, minus, then the pluses wins. So the positive wins always. Do you understand me? So if you take this bad symptom and good symptom, bad symptom, then sometime the bad symptom will go away. You can just try. And the more your consciousness is stronger, then faster this happens. The only thing is you have to not have any expectations, because the expectations is again tension, then you make situation worse. So no expectations, you just naively, innocently making this bad, good, bad, good, bad, good, and then suddenly bad is, I don't know, deleted, and situation can change. And if it doesn't change, still you have better feelings. It's great, okay? The same thing you make with the situation. You're looking at the situation which is now. Now you imagine like you've been a wizard or a god, good or ideal situation. You pretend like you have it, and then that situation again. Then good situation again, and then you also change like this, like yo-yo, you know. And at the end, the bad situation goes. You just can't even imagine it. Or you can imagine, but you can't see what's bad in this situation. Then you like deleted the, I don't know, in Russian we say заряд, how you say it in English. You deleted the, I don't know the word. Okay, but you understood, yeah? So let's go over it again. So you have emotion. Emotion have two parts. It's symptom, how you feel it in the body and consciousness, what you think about it. And then the symptom, you can imagine good symptom and bad symptom, which you already know. And in the consciousness, you have situation. And in the situation, you have also plus and minus. And this also you can change. And then you change the situation, probably. But just don't have tension, relax. Just do it innocently, like you couldn't expect anything. Because some Russian guy told you it works. Okay, good luck.